How to create Google Form and share link quick and easy. First, visit the googleforms.com. Here, click on Sign In. And after signing in, this web page will appear on the screen. So click on Blank Form here. This interface will appear on your screen. You can add description and topic of the form. You can type for tests, for instance, monthly taste. And here you can write the question. To add more options, you can click on Add More Options and type the option as you want. If you are done, then click on Publish. Once it is published, then move your cursor here and copy the URL address. You can paste this link to any social media platform and share it with anyone. That's how you can create Google Form and share link in a quick and easy way. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.